What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Got my blue light blocking glasses on today. Gonna go over our Gala game, sitting at 0.041, up 1% on the day. See market cap of 284 million. 24-hour volume 181 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit or Bybit, sign up, grab those bonuses. Check out my full link tutorials. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, completely for free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. So taking a look at Gala, we have a nice 5-way move up, signaled yesterday. Now we could create a higher high, and that would simply mean that this was the wave 4 pullback. There's your wave 3, and you would still push up in a wave 5. However, if we continue to pull back from here, then you can assume that 5-way move is complete, and you'd look for a bounce in between 0.0373 and 0.0393. Now, if this were to be a wave 4, then it needs to bounce before the 0.5 on the fib, or else it will be invalidated. And that's currently coming in at 0.039. So if you break below 0.0398, then there's no chance of that being a wave 4 pullback, and you would assume the 5-way move is already in. But until then, you could potentially push up in a higher high to complete that wave 5. We'll have to see how that plays out. Popping over to the daily time frame, it's looking good. As you can see, we're getting back above the EMAs. We had a daily close above the EMAs, which is a good sign. So as long as we can hold this current level of support and bounce, you'll see the bullish cross, and I think you'll see continuation up to 0.059. And I have given previously that wave 3 target. If you take a trend-based extension from the bottom, this is your wave 1, this is the beginning of the wave 1. Here's the top. You pull it back to the wave 2. Yeah, I've already pulled a fib out here, as you can see. And you would target the 1.618, which is coming in at 0.027 for the wave 3. So it'll look like this. Beautiful wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, bam, 3, 4, 5. See continuation to the upside. Things are looking good for Gala. As I mentioned, look for a bounce from this yellow box if we do continue to pull back. But if we do push up and create a higher high, then what you're looking at is that previous high is the wave 3. All of this would be the wave 4 pullback, and you would see one more higher high in a wave 5 before seeing that wave 2 pullback, which would be perfectly fine. We're on our way to our target of our falling wedge. We entered a long trade right down here. So currently we're making some juicy profits on that position, which I gave a signal for in the Discord for only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. So even if we do pull back, I think it's likely we see continuation to the upside. All right, gang, so make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bickit. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials pinned in the description, as well as the end of the video. I'll give you completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, posting trade signals, and at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, my trade signals. As I mentioned, we're in a Gala Games long right now, which is in profits. Crypto news, which I post regularly, member profits. They like to post their gains in here, as you can see. And Mahado Alt Plays is coming in at only $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.